If you are starting affiliate marketing and you want to start making money, this video is for you. In this video, I will explain to you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, such as how affiliate marketing works, niches, ways to promote, affiliate programs, and other important things. Make sure to watch the video to the end if you want to know the best way to boost your affiliate sales. Without further ado, let's get to the video. First, what is affiliate marketing? Simply, affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote other companies' products or services. As an affiliate, you get a unique link that you share, and when someone purchases through your link, you earn a commission. For example, let's say you are selling a product that costs $100, and the commission rate on that product is 30%, which means that you will earn $30 from that sale, and the remaining $70 goes to the company you promoted. Affiliate marketing is a really good business to start because you don't need to have your product and can start it without any money. When I explained what is affiliate marketing, let's move to the next step, choosing a niche. Niche is a specific topic or area such as finance, gaming, fitness, traveling, and more. In affiliate marketing, it is important to choose a niche that is profitable and has low competition. Also, is very important that you only stick to only one niche because you will need to build a targeted audience that you will later promote products in that niche. If you don't know which niche to choose, I recommend you to search on Google or YouTube. When I explained, let's move to the next step, affiliate platforms. There are many affiliate platforms. For some you may have heard like Amazon Associates or Shopify. When you are searching for affiliate programs, I recommend you look for programs that have a recurring commission. If you don't know what recurring commission is, simply it is when you get paid, as long as your referred customer keeps using or subscribing to the program you promoted to him. Most of the programs that have recurring commissions are software websites like Shopify, ClickFunnels, and NordVPN. On most of these platforms, you can register without any special conditions. Like audience and your website, you just need to enter your data and you can start promoting. If you are not sure which platform you want to use, I recommend you to search on Google for affiliate programs in your niche. We came to the most important step, and that is traffic. In affiliate marketing, traffic is like the stream of visitors flowing to your online content. Without this flow, there's no one to see your promotions, click your links, or make purchases. Making traffic is essential for earning commissions and growing your affiliate business. And if you don't have any traffic or money, the best way to drive traffic to your links is by promoting through social media such as YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and more. You just need to create quality content, and in those videos, you need to make people to click on your affiliate link. I recommend you to focus on providing genuine value to your audience. Instead of solely prioritizing sales, aim to educate, inform, and assist your audience with valuable content related to your niche. Because building trust with your audience will ultimately lead to more successful affiliate promotions and long-term success in affiliate marketing. And we finally came to the last step, and that is email marketing. Now, what is email marketing? Simply, email marketing is sending emails to people to promote products or services. One of the best ways to make money with affiliate marketing is promoting links through email marketing, and I will show you how you can do it. First, go on the website Systeme.io. You will have a link in the description. Systeme.io is a platform where you can build sale funnels, landing pages, and more. When you are on the website, click on Get My Free Account and enter your email and you will have an account. After you create your account, you will be on this page where you can choose a plan you can use. If you are a beginner, I recommend you to go for a free plan. After that, click on Funnels and click on Create. Then select Build an Audience and type name that you want, and click Save. Then click on that project, and you will be on this page. Here you're going to choose the template for your squeeze page. You can choose every template that you like. After you find the template, click, select, then Edit Page. You will be on this page where you can edit your squeeze page. You can edit the page in less than 5 minutes. Because Systeme.io is very easy to use. After you edited the squeeze page, click on Save Changes and Exit. After we edited the squeeze page, we need to edit Thank You page. On Thank You page, we need to give people something in exchange for their email address, which can be some ebook or video tutorial. For this video, I will put my YouTube video. I will just paste the video link. And that's it. After we finished with Thank You page, we're going to save that and exit. Now, when you have a landing page for email marketing, you need to drive traffic to that page and collect other people's emails, and you're going to do that by sharing a link to that page on your videos on social media. After you collect some amount of emails, you can start sending emails with affiliate links to people. If you want to know how to do that, comment down below, and I will make a video tutorial. And for the end of the video, if you have more questions or if you want to learn more about making money online, you can join my free Discord server. You will have a link in the description. Until the next video, goodbye.